Assalamu alaikum to all of my students. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to discuss simultaneous decrease in supply and demand, but it is a case in both increase in demand and increase in supply and decrease in supply. That is why equilibrium price does not change. I will show case why equilibrium price does not change. Well, equilibrium price does not change. Does not change. Why it remains the same. This in both cases. As I have to yes, teach both cases. Increase in supply, increase in demand, decrease in demand, increase in supply, decrease in supply. This case exists in both cases. Why equilibrium price does not change. I will show only in one case, in decreasing case. Why it does not change. This is y-axis. This is x-axis. This is price. This is quantity supply and demand. As I have shown this is price. Yes, this is supply. As supply has a positive slope, SS. Demand has a negative slope, like this. D has a negative slope. When shifts take place, decrease in supply case we will take shift of yes. The supply case SS, and when demand curve will shift. D dash. As in first, this was initial equilibrium E1. Now equilibrium has changed to E2. E2. What is happening? No change in price. If I yes. For example, this is initial quantity Q. Now quantity changed to Q1 as new equilibrium E2. This E1, this E2. What is happening? Both supply भी change हो रही है यहाँ पे, demand भी change हो रही है. But what we are making analysis, what we are observing, price does not change. On the same equilibrium price, both demand and supply are changing. I will write. Yes, I will write. Due to shift of both quantity demand and quantity supply. What is happening? Quantity demand is equal to quantity supply, as the area between quantity demand and quantity supply are changing, but they are unequal. But what is happening? Second point, equilibrium price does not change. Does not change. Does not change. Only what is happening? Both the left shift of supply karo, left shift of demand karo. Equilibrium quantity declines from Q to Q1. Third, equilibrium quantity declines from Q to Q1. As we are showing decreasing case, both demand and supply. That is why quantity supply declines from quantity Q to Q1. But equilibrium prices same. On the same equilibrium price, what is happening? Simultaneous change is taking place both demand and supply cases. If there is no change in price, these are two cases, both increasing demand and decreasing demand. But only you have to understand, if it is in case of, for example, in case of increasing supply, increasing demand, then only you have to show there is a rightward shift of demand, rightward shift of supply, but equilibrium price will remain same. Equilibrium price will not change. So the remaining concept, there are few more two concepts. Yes, inelastic supply. Yes, elastic supply. In case of this simultaneous change, demand change in supply, I will take in next lecture. This was remaining case related to this present concept. I think it is enough for today. In coming lecture, I will discuss remaining concepts of the same topic. Till that time, you have to wait and watch. I will return back very soon. Hope for the best. Take care. Thanks. Have a nice day.